Hey, what's up, fam? Check this out. We are definitely dividing and falling because New York just opened 4 new free vending machines with, as you can see on the screen, crack pipes, free crack pipes, free injection kits, and free sniffing kits. It's like the smoking kit contains a heavy stem, a mouthpiece, a screened chore filter, basically chore boy, and a lip balm. So that's gotta do good. Anyway, so it's free. Another one contains a a syringe with a cooker, cotton ball, water, and then the sniffing kit, the safe sniffing kit contains a straw, a glass straw, of course. They don't have $1 to roll a. So, yeah, it's a straw and some other things. They don't really go into it, but you can see, here's the smoking kit right here. Here, watch.
And explains why.
This isn't where you typically find a vending machine, and naloxone and fentanyl test strips are definitely not what's usually offered inside. But in Ocean Hill, Brooklyn, where drug overdoses continue to kill, health officials had to try something different.
I think they'll be surprised to find that this is a public health vending machine. I think that's a great thing. It'll start conversations, hopefully get people talking.
The machine at 1676 Broadway is the first. All people need to do is enter in their zip code.
I think it's a good idea, yes.
Why is that?
Because this costs money and people right now.
1,668 overdose deaths. 2022 statistics are expected to be even higher.
This is a Narcan kit.
It's why Elan Kwashi with services.
Safer sniffing kit, safer smoking kit, another safer sniffing kit, safer injection kit. Then they also have fentanyl test strips and Narcan kits, which is just a nasal thing that you give to someone that's overdosing and they'll wake up for an hour or so.
For the underserved, says these products are crucial. His nonprofit is responsible for restocking supplies.
It'll have safe smoking kits, safe sniffing kits, safe injection kits.
It shouldn't be luck or privilege that gets you into services. It should be easily accessible to everyone we know and love.
But not everyone is receptive to this new tool. Worried it will look there. At that time, they can scan this QR code to connect them with a provider. In Ocean Hill, Brooklyn, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
The machine is part of the mayor's plan to reduce overdose deaths 15% by 2025.
Wow.
Similar ones are in use in other cities like Philadelphia and Cincinnati.